Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel friends. Thank you so much friends for watching. In today's video friend, I will show you how to get rid of dry cracked feet. Don't worry friend, it's normal to have a dry cracked feet. But what is cracked feet? A cracked feet friend is caused by insufficient moisture when the sensitive skin on the bottom of the feet and heels become too dry. It can split open, leave painful cracks called fissure on your heel. Those cracks may not only make it painful to walk, but it can also lead to serious infection. Bring your water to your body. Basically, we need a lukewarm water. Lemon, we need a drop of lemon. I like using lemon because lemon contains my natural acidic property that can help get rid of dry cell. This salt is a great natural espiritu, guys. You can use sea salt or baking soda. Get any brand of shampoo, baby shampoo, natural shampoo, or you can use hand washing, or you can use loss, you can use a stone, or you can use baking soda as wet for the feet. So don't bother yourself. Get 3 to 4 drops of shampoo. Carefully when you are doing these parts, carefully, and soak your legs, your feet up to 5 minutes. I was actually doing for 10 minutes. Use any stone or any fruits sponge or fruits brush to wash your fruits. By the time you bring out your fruit from that water, your fruit is already so soft. All the dead cells as you are using the fruit stone is gone. I love using fresh water. I've changed the water to new one. I add another lemon, 2 to 3 drops of lemon. I went ahead again. I soak my legs. I actually enjoy this particular part here. So it's clean, smooth, look like it. Guys, I love this part. This reminds me back home. Guys, when you are doing this part, be very careful. What I'm trying to do here is to warm my feet and to open up all the feet pores, and because I'm going to be applying MC5. I love MC5, guys. It's very moisture. It's going to penetrate inside your feet. You could feel the moisture. You will feel it immediately. You can see my legs like a newborn baby. You can as well go ahead and use petroleum Vaseline, petroleum jelly. Guys, look at my feet. Guys, look at that, guys. So guys, after I apply my MC5 to my feet, the next step is to wear a comfortable cotton fluffy socks in order to lock the moisture while I'm sitting down there, or you can do it as well at night when you are going to bed. So this will generate additional moisturize to your feet. You're going to sweat and all the dead cell is going to disappear. You will see this change immediately. It will heal all these cracking fields. You will see the difference immediately. Do this twice in a month or twice in a week. It depends how bad the situation of your feet. So like me, I do this once in a month. I follow the procedures. I enjoy doing it. You can see my feet, guys. You can see it yourself, guys. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video. Stay blessed, guys. I'm going to leave you with a lovely song. Oh no, sing follow me. Your mercy will I see. Just a name and power about the sea. Your power remains the same. Yes, never change. Fi agbára rẹ̀ hàn. Fi agbára rẹ̀ hàn. Fi agbára rẹ̀ hàn. Láyé mi. Fi agbára rẹ̀ hàn.